Hey guys, get ready with me. Can't you tell I'm so happy to be up right now? This is why I love having naturally straight hair, because whenever I blow dry it, it's already done. And I'm just going to do this charity thing. So we're making like sandwiches or something for homeless people. I think. I don't even know. Y'all, my neck is sunburnt on my tan lines. I realized just now that I was in 2 times this whole time. Like, obviously I did that on purpose, but I didn't mean for it to be like that while I wasn't doing my makeup, but whatever. Okay guys, I'm gonna go eat lunch. Well, breakfast. Is it early enough? Never mind. I'm gonna go eat food, and that's it. Bye guys.